In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or mark your Steam game as private. This is a useful feature if you want a little privacy from your friends or simply want to declutter your game library from prying eyes. Alright, let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to open your Steam app. If you don't have the app installed yet, you can download it from the Steam website. Once you've got the app open, the interface should display the familiar layout of your Steam homepage. From here, look towards the top right of the screen and click on the login button. Upon clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your account details. Go ahead and key in your account name and password. It's important to note here that you should always keep your login details secure and never share them, as they are your gateway to your entire library and oftentimes your personal information. Once you've entered your details, click on the sign in button to proceed. Now that you're logged into your account, you'll be greeted by your Steam homepage. From here, navigate over to your library tab. The library is essentially the core of your Steam experience. It houses all the games you've purchased and installed. Once in the library, take a moment to browse through your list of games. Identify the game or games you want to hide from view. Once you've made your selection, simply right-click on the desired game. A context menu will pop up with several options. Go ahead and hover over the Manage option. Under the Manage submenu, you'll see an option to mark as private. Select this option. What this does is make the game invisible to others who may snoop through your profile, ensuring your gaming habits are known only to you. If at any point you change your mind and want to unmark the game as private, fret not. You just need to follow the same steps. Head back to your library, select the game, right click, choose Manage, and then hit Unmark as private. There you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can control who sees what in your game library. This feature is perfect for those looking to keep certain games off the radar or maintain a sleek and uncluttered game lineup. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more at ease managing your Steam library privacy settings. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.